starting. Para kay Coach Temco, doon naman sa kabila. Rain or shine going with the unit of Quinto.
Be aggressive in this game.
How about Scottie Thompson? Sabi niya, hindi lang sa rebound ginagamit ng talon ito. 7 points na si Walker, si Brownlee naman. Oh yes, 5. Tapos merong 5. 3 games of Rain or Shine were all scored in double digits.
Jeff Chan right there scoring that triple, and the Barangay Ginebra fans loving it. 11-point lead.
Tolentino, Thompson with a board. Thompson will draw a foul on Keith. Isipin mo, may mga fans na pumupunta sa Araneta. This man is...
Kay Scottie ko lang nakikita na yung highlights, rebound.
Exactly. And in the first 3 for this game, Chan! Napakahusay din talaga ni Jeff Chan in terms of drawing.
As well of Jeff Chan.
And grabe naman on Walker. And even force him into a technical. Tapos si Jeff Chan, pamandang tira mula sa kanan.
Great counter right there. Jeff Chan knows that the defense will close out hard. One dribble paloob. And then mid-range bucket.
Pito na naman ng Ginebra. It was shut down. Chan, transition 3. Jeff Chan!
And the Ginebra bench knew it was going in. Too much time, too much space. Nakaset up ng balance dun si Jeff Chan. Transition 3, back-to-back buckets for him.
Brownlee. Thompson, nahanap ni JB.
Beautiful.
Ang Rain or Shine, they're still trying to get something here. Scottie Thompson wanted to go for a putback jump. Ano nagkapalit sila ng multi-jumpin dun?
Oh, grabe. Scottie Thompson.
Just to put that Scottie Thompson leaping.
Real pa yun on the jump.
Pero Scottie getting points from the back na naman. They send it back out. Chan! Money on the 3!
And out of all the guys that we want to leave open from that area, Jeff Chan will probably be in the last of that list. Jeff Chan already with 12 points.
And you hear the chants. Jeff Chan, all the time in the road, pero Mendez. Thompson on the second try.
What a play coming from Scottie Thompson. No one boxing him out. And then finishing for the second chance point.
Pasa kay Thompson. What a play! Naglapitin pa sa ere.
And the connection of LA Tenorio and Scottie Thompson. Every time LA drives that basketball, nakikita niya si Scottie on the cuts. Take a look at that right here.
And Scottie says, now you see me, now you don't.
Mala MJ. Over 2 defenders, over and then under. For that finish, the Barangay Ginebra fans loving it.
Pero alam mo, while we were... LA, lapas kay Chan. Jeff, money on the 3.
Great play right there by LA Tenorio, locating Jeff Chan on the corner.
Sa fourth, 31 points naman itong Barangay Ginebra while limiting Rain or Shine to just 16.
So Barangay Ginebra will now book a ticket to the playoffs and taking matters into their own hands.